Hey guys, so I'm going to try and reattempt to put my wig back on. Like, I know this looks real crazy. Like, I got the mix showing. But I'm going to wash out like all the buildup gel that I got going on. And I'm gonna oil it down first and then, work my magic or try. So, keyword, try. We're gonna attempt to put this back on. But first I'm gonna take a shower, then I'm gonna cleanse my face and wash my face off and then hop into it. Okay, so it's officially a brand new day. It's the second day actually. As y'all can see, I'm still wigless, but I am gonna attempt to try and do it today. Yesterday, my baby was babying after I took a shower, like literally. He wanted to be, hold on, let's adjust this. Like literally he wanted to be laying down right here. And when I tell you it was so uncomfortable, it was so uncomfortable. And I was just like, no, I cannot do it. I'm gonna just take my shower and lay down and go to sleep. Hold on, let me adjust the camera. I definitely be forgetting when I record to record this way and not this way. So I'm gonna just show you the products that I'm gonna be using to lay down my wig or try, and then get into this video. So I'm going to be using this. I'm going to use this. This is the Even edge tamer, and this is the adhesive spray. I'm going to be using this to flatten it down. This is a wax stick. I just need a I need a hot comb. Like, why has he got the video game so loud? Anyway, and then I'm going to be using this styling mousse to just style the hair. And what else? Of course, the wig. I brought this too, but I don't know if I'm going to do my baby hairs because I'm not a baby hairstylist expert like my hairstylist, and I don't want to mess it up. But before we get into this video, let me put y'all on to free game. So literally I'm an affiliate with, hopefully I said the word correctly, because with Even. So literally, if you want to become an affiliate yourself, earn commission, earn money, you can use my link to sign up and then get others to sign up with their link as well. That will be in the description box below for you guys. Literally, it's free money when people just sign up to you sign up with your referral link. So make sure you sign up with mine and get others to sign up with yours. And it's also a free game if you already use the products. It'll help basically promote it a lot better. So what I'm going to do first is just use this to brush my hair back, like everything back, so that it's back and not in the way of my hairline. And then I don't know what this is, but I feel like I'm gonna cut it off. And I'm gonna be placing the wig over my hair. I'm not gonna use a cap because the last time I tried to use a cap, it did not work out well. And plus I don't have the concealer and the blend and all that stuff right there. Y'all ladies know exactly what I'm talking about. This is how you know I don't install my own wigs at all. So, all right, now I'm gonna just fast forward and start doing it. So literally, I'm done with everything. And this is how it came out. The only thing I don't like is that I wish the back was a little bit more flatter. Like, I can't even show you guys. But I have it adjusted, like tied up so much in the back so it can fit to my scalp, because I have a little, I mean not my scalp, my head, because my head is so little. But I don't feel like I did a bad job. Hold on. Like this. Alright, so it's like 2 something in the morning. I literally should be asleep, but I don't know. I have insomnia at night and I like to sleep during the day, which probably will not be helping me when he gets here. But he seems like a nice baby anyway, just like his mama. But there was something that I was supposed to get back on here and say to you guys, and I definitely forgot what it was. But I think it was that I ended up readjusting the band. Like I put the band back on it and I put this on to sleep with, but the band was giving me problems. Like, it's a no for me. I don't know what's going on over here, but literally, like, I feel like it still came out okay. I got Family Guy people playing in the back. Damn, it kind of feels like really OD tight right here. Anyway, I'm gonna just keep brushing it and combing it down. I definitely need myself a flat comb. I do need to go to sleep. A hot comb. Okay, maybe I do need to go to sleep. Maybe I do. A hot comb, cause like literally this part is sticking up, and I just realized like my whole head is flat. But I personally feel like my hair would do look a lot better to me with baby hairs. I want to say like it's not. I want to say like this looks okay. It's like a more natural look without the baby hairs. But I'm so used to my stylist doing baby hairs for me. Like I've never gotten used to just this. I'm overthinking it. Like maybe when I get my hot comb, it'll look a lot like it'll be better. But you know what they say, practice makes perfect. So let me throw this bonnet back on my head and lay down and watch Family Guy till I knock out, because it really is 2 in the morning. Like my fiance just left to go to work. So, and I'm taking his mom to her doctor's appointment in the morning. A little bit of mother-in-law, daughter-in-law bonding time. So, yeah, maybe I am overthinking it, but literally, girlies, like, leave me tips in the description box below. What almost said lash glue. Now I know I'm tired. What kind of lace glue that you guys use? Preferably anything that's not Ghost Bond, only because I use my hairstylist use Ghost Bond already. And if you watch my last video about the second hair review that I did on this hair, Ghost Bond did not work for me. Like, it made my scalp very, very itchy, irritated, red. So I was like, okay, I'm allergic to this. And that was my first time using the glue. Well, my first time experiencing using the glue that she used. So it was enough for me. But everybody has said Erica J is a great brand of lace glue. So whatever you guys are using to, you know, lay and melt y'all laces down, please comment them down below and let us sister know. Also, some tips that I should be using, like, you know, some constructive consider. I'm going to sleep after this video, I promise you. I'm going to sleep after this clip. This word won't let me be great. Constructive criticism on how I should, like, lay my hair down, or what's one thing that I could have did better. You know, like, just give me those inside tips, you know, because I'm fit to know everything. And besides that, I feel like I really do feel like it came out okay for my first time, like redoing it by myself. I'm gonna probably put the band back on so it stays down right here. I'm not too sure, but yeah. And I need to find my rat tail comb. Like, I know it's in this room somewhere, I just don't know where. We've pretty much been preparing for the baby to come, and these last couple of weeks, just had my 37-week appointment yesterday, and I'm 37 weeks now, so which means I'm full term. And my doctor said that he can come at any given time, so it's free game. It's free game from here, but he better come after the baby shower. So like he got another week, and then he could come. So yes, I think that's it. I'm gonna take myself to sleep because obviously I'm over here slurring on my words. Or maybe I should, like, try and do baby hairs. But I don't know if I'm gonna keep this hair in actually for my baby shower. My sister sent me bundles, but I don't know if I want to do a sew-in. Because literally I think if I wear this, it's easier for me to just snatch off in the delivery room. But when I get to that point, I get to that point. So, yeah. But I'm going to tune this video out, lay down, watch some Family Guy, call it a night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So